I want to introduce Badri. This is dear Badri. He has a lot of love to give to the audience and to the people. He's from Jhansi, and what do you have to say about Badrinath की दुल्हनिया बद्री?
बस हमको यही कहना है कि हम आप लोगों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. पहली बार हम फेसबुकिंग पे आए हैं.
फेसबुकिंग नहीं बद्री, फेसबुक.
सॉरी, फेसबुक पे हम आए हैं तो ये मतलब थोड़ा कठिन है. थोड़ा फोन पे ही हम आप लोगों से बातचीत करें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
तो तुम वो वाला स्माइल दे दो ना बद्री. थोड़ा और हाँ, ये है ना बद्री वाला स्माइल. तो बंद करो अभी.
बस and this is Vedahi. Vedahi is a girl from Kota, which is the educational hub of our country. She's very, very educated. She has a lot of dreams, a lot of aspirations. She's very, very inspirational, and that is why Badri is in.
What? Love? Oh, okay, right, cool.
Amazing. Badri and his Dulhania, welcome to Facebook Live.
Thank you.
And what's up? How have you guys been? What have you been up to?
We have been. What have we been up to?
We've been doing
promoting.
so many things together, and our schedule is such that actually we both are even performing at Zee Cine Awards also very soon on
Together,
the 11th.
yeah.
Together.
As in not.
We'll be there at a Holi party also.
Yeah.
Together.
Together.
And we have a film coming out on the 10th.
Together.
So we are only together right now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, before we get to what is in store for all the fans and all the surprises that you guys have planned, let's talk about the new song.
Yeah, so
Yes.
we've come on Facebook Live, and this is the first time in the whole promotional campaign of Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya that we're doing a Facebook Live. And the reason why we're doing this is because our song is out tomorrow. It's by none other than Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh.
Arijit
Exactly.
has
Composed by
Amal Malik, and Arijit sang Samjhawa
Samjhawa.
in Humpty, so we had to be a part of this one, and we've got his voice for Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya.
And this is the heartbreak song, guys.
Yeah.
So I think you all should get ready.
It's the heartbreak song of 2017.
We will decide.
No, it is the heartbreak song.
No, but it's a beautiful track and it has all the emotions and the love and everything. And we're really excited because we were saving this for the last minute.
Yeah.
Only because it has a lot of our film visuals and a lot to do with
The story, the
story,
angst, the
emotion.
problems that happen in a relationship. So, you know, a lot of you who just think that Badri is this happy, go, fun, lucky,
It is,
time
it
pass
is,
film,
it
which
is.
it is.
But
But
it
it has a lot of this emotion as well, which was quite difficult for me. I think one of my scenes where I'm like really, really drunk in the film, Alia made me drink 11 drinks.
Varun, I didn't make you drink any drinks.
Spike my drink.
I spiked your drinks. I was trying to control him from drinking.
Why were you getting me drunk?
I was not getting drunk.
I don't know what plan she had.
Guys, this is when Varun Dhawan is just lying.
This is when Alia Bhatt is lying. Guys.
This is the lying face.
This is her lying face.
Alright. When we get to settle that, गाने का नाम तो बताओ.
Roke na ruke naina. That means
Awesome.
you want to cry and you want to stop your eyes from crying, but your eyes are not listening to you, they are reacting in another way. Maybe they're someone else's eyes.
It's not that.
It's not that,
Varun.
okay, it's not that.
It's just about the. It's the lyrics go. तू जो नजरों के सामने कल होगा नहीं, तुझ बिन देख बिन मैं मरना जाऊँ कहीं. Means if you're not in front of me tomorrow, I don't know what I'll do.
I'll die.
I like not really
Where
literally,
will,
but
where will you be on the 11th?
with you, Iggy,
Oh yeah.
you'll die. Don't die. We have to go off.
So the song is called Roke Na Ruke Naina.
Yes.
Roke
That's a
Na
very difficult title. Do you think you can
No,
say it
it's
10
not.
times in a stretch?
रोके ना रुके नैना, 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 रोके ना रुके नैना. That was a bit difficult. It was very easy.
No, you
I've
said-
done worse
What have
things.
you done? Worst things I'm sure you've done in life.
Difficult, more difficult.
I'm sure you have like worked out.
Huh?
Okay, sorry.
Anyway, coming back to the movie. So the movie looks amazing and it's sort of like, you know, inspired.
This boy
and
whose
continued.
voice you're hearing is being paid to say these things.
I've been
That the
paid really
is
well to say
amazing.
this.
No, but he feels that way, Varun.
Do
Of
you?
course. Yes,
Feels
of
it.
course.
Okay, yeah.
So I love Humpty and we're all really excited for Badri. For fans, quickly, you know, catching up, what is the main difference between Badri and Humpty? Like, if we had to ask Dulhania, what are the 3 qualities that Badrinath has that Humpty didn't?
Okay. Is that easy to answer or difficult?
Huh? I don't know.
I think it's a little difficult.
That's fine. Do this.
No. So basically, focus. So basically, I feel the main difference in Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya and Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya is, look at it in this way. Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya was the appetizer. It is a puppy love story. It's sweet and it's naive. Badrinath Ki Dulhania is the main course. It's heavier, little bit. It has more intensity. The palate may change a bit, but it still has the stuff we loved about Humpty. But maybe it's one step ahead. And then the dessert will come only with your sweetness that you give to Badrinath Ki Dulhania. I think you should give me a shot.
Shani Muligi hai.
Amazing.
Shani.
I just made this up right now.
But it's good. It's good. Like very good. Well done.
What about you, Varun? How is the Dulhania from Humpty different from the Dulhania in Badri? Or is it just all
She's
Alia?
very different. No, it's not just all
No,
Alia.
not
It's
Alia
very
at
different.
all.
In fact, Vaidehi is not Alia at all. Kavya was still a little bit of Alia. This is not Alia at all, and it's a very mature performance. I think Vaidehi comes with a lot of baggage because of what she's gone through in the past,
Certain things.
and it's a mystery. It's a mysterious part of Badrinath Ki Dulhania. The film
Thriller.
It's actually a thriller. We lied to you all. We lied. Just liars.
Amazing. Okay, coming back to the song Roke Na Ruke, Naina, of course. Now we know that in the last movie, Alia, you did a very simple acoustic setting of one of the songs that Arijit sang,
Samjhawa.
Samjhawa. Is that something planned for Badri also?
Not for Roke Na Ruke Naina, for sure, because it is a very difficult song, number one, and it's a very special song in its sense. I don't think.
And Arijit called her and told her don't sing my song.
No, Arijit did not call me, but
He
even if he did,
WhatsApped
I would
her.
listen to him.
Arijit WhatsApps you.
I would listen to him. If he
He
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. He sent a voice note.
He sent a voice. I would really fervor.
I don't think you should say answer now. Lost the moment.
Just shut up.
She has sung a song in this film and she's done well, I think. After a long time, I think she sung a good song.
Thanks.
Okay, so
Behaving like your singing career was
Part me.
failing.
Yeah, that's part me.
We've revived her
Part me.
singing career.
Part me, part
Alia
me.
Bhatt's back as a singer.
Varun,
There's
don't hype it.
no auto-tune.
Stop hype it.
Zero auto-tune.
Stop hyping it.
okay, so before we're gonna let you go, we are gonna ask you to sing, and we're gonna put you on the spot. And I know you're gonna hate me for this, but we will make you sing a little in the end. But quickly, you wanna say hi to a few fans?
Yes, we want to say hi, but we want to ask you
Some questions, come on,
Yeah,
give us
just
some
give
questions.
some
Come on, one,
quick
two questions. Come on,
guys, if you all
from here. Any.
There, even
Okay.
if
Varun, Anushka is saying, Varun, can you do the Tera Smile, please?
Anushka Sharma?
Anusha Nash. Anushka Nash.
That was the Teda smile. Oh, sorry, we've got another phone. People are saying hi, how's it going? How crispy
Ye-
expressions.
ये
Sorry, yo. Hi guys, how are you? How's it going? Alia and Varun. Mwah.
ये freeze हो गया है.
Come. Yeah, sorry.
Anyway, so many people.
Questions.
Varun and Alia are looking really good together.
Thank
you.
Varun, you look adorable.
Thank you.
Hi, all the best for your movie.
Questions, guys, come on, we're leaving now.
Which place in Rajasthan you think was the most beautiful location?
Kota.
We shot in Kota a lot, in the Seven Wonders Park. I think that was the most
Yeah.
beautiful.
The
Jal
Seven Wonders
Mandir.
Park was just absolutely beautiful.
And did you guys know that Varun? I mean, if you have seen the making video, that Varun fell in that
Yeah, I fell down.
The Jal
I fell
Mandir.
down in the water and I dropped another co-actor in the water.
no crocodile. in the water. Okay,
Okay.
so
Krish Nanjan is asking, Varun, what are you having in your cup?
coffee. Lots of coffee.
So you don't think I'm lying? Because some actors put other shit in it as well.
Okay, Aanchal Sharma is asking, is that the real Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt?
No,
No.
this is the fake Varun and
We are
I'm
Judwa.
just going to remove her mask right now as we speak. From here. So, it's still her. Cut it. Yeah, I don't even know.
Alia, you are so beautiful, and Varun, you have the most amazing clothes collection. This is
Oh.
Patel Mitesh.
Patel,
Thank you, Patel
Thank
Mitesh.
you so much.
Very
Thank you.
complimentary.
Peel wants to ask what inspired you and Alia the most to keep you going through the film?
I think somewhere because we did Humpty and Humpty did so well, we wanted to make sure that this film does better. It's more than better. We wanted it to be a better film. We want people to love this film.
Yeah, but I think honestly, we don't. When we shoot a film, that's our inspiration. Being in front of the camera and making movies, we don't need to tell ourselves to be
But
inspired every day.
we inspire each other also.
We inspire each other.
We inspire each other. She's quite inspirational in real life.
And what do you mean fake life?
In real life, matlab, in life behind the camera also inspirational.
How
Like
sweet.
with all the activities you
Okay.
do. She drives
Hemant-
a car. She drives the auto.
Hemant,
Hemant Kher wants to know which was the most difficult scene to perform in the film.
For me, it was a scene where I had to manhandle this child, and that was very difficult for me because I didn't want to hurt her somewhere. And
that's it.
Oh, very interesting. Siona Mitra wants to know what was the best part of shooting in Singapore.
I like Singapore as a city actually. It's a really well put together
And
city.
it's a very friendly
It's a
city.
very friendly city. It's a lot of fun.
Shoot friend.
After you pack up, we were healthy over there. It
We are
was
healthy.
no, I mean
Quota we wanted.
We won. It was a lot of fun. You know, went to Sentosa Island. We shot over there. Went and shot in Universal Studios.
Yeah, it was a very I think it was, and the film, it was really exciting.
It helped
to
open
be
the canvas of
in
the
the film. Correct. Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Okay, Shruti wants to ask, which song do you love the most from Badri?
My favorite song from Badri is Humsafar, but I have a really big soft spot for Roke Na, which is
I think honestly, it's such a diverse album
Yeah.
that every song has.
Badri Ki Dulhania actually. Badri Ki
It's
Dulhania.
every day a different song, guys. It should be the same for you.
Okay, and there are a lot of questions about where are you guys traveling for the movie.
Okay, so
Okay, guys,
BKD Tours and Travels is back. That didn't hurt. I just made an expression. BKD Tours and Travels are back. So we are going where? We're going
It's
tomorrow.
back.
Where are we going tomorrow? Bol de.
Delhi.
Why is it so sad?
Wait to me.
But
Tomorrow we are going to Tomorrow we are going to Delhi. From Delhi where are we going? Tu bol.
Lucknow. We're going to be 2 days in Delhi. Then we're going to Lucknow. Then we're going to come back. We're going to have some fun here.
Take a break.
We're going to do some interesting things
Breather.
here. Then we're going to go to.
Then we're going to go to Calcutta.
Why are you
In
talking
so
like
many
that?
years we are going to Calcutta. It's
In
been
so
so
many
many years since Ali and me visited Calcutta. It's been a long time coming. The people of Calcutta wanted to happen. 2 years. 2 years to be precise. That's 365 days plus 365 days is how many days? Who knows? Say. Vishwa, 365 plus 365 is how much?
7:30.
730?
135.
No.
But
765
clearly all
365 plus
really
365
bad.
is
That's not important, guys. The fact is-
700 and